Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a super cute shirt and tie Father's Day card. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are a piece of paper and some crayons, markers, or colored pencils. First, you're going to take your sheet of paper and fold it sideways. Then you're going to unfold it. Next, you're going to take one of the sides and fold it inwards towards the crease that you made. You're going to do the same with the other side. Like so. Next, you're going to turn it over and fold backwards about 1.5 centimeters down. Like that. That's what it looks like from the side. And then you're going to flip it over. Now you're going to fold it inwards like this. And this is going to be creating the collar. So there's not an exact measurement, but you can fold it however small or large you want to make it. So as you can tell, that's going to be the collar of the shirt. Next, you're going to take these flaps, and I'll turn it around so you can see it. And you're going to fold it outwards. Like that. Just like that. And then you're going to take this and tuck it under the collar like that, and then push down at the bottom so then it holds. And as you can see, this is the shirt. These are the sleeves and this is the collar. Now what you're going to do is take your color pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you're using. I'm using some crayons. And you're going to draw a tie or a bow tie on the front. You can do any color you want, just make it creative. Like that. Then you're just going to take that out from under the collar, and right here you can write a message to your father. Back up and tuck it back under the collar like that. And there you go. You can also write who it's from or who it's going to be from and to. You can write that on the front. I think I'm just going to keep it plain like this. Another option is to write it on the collar, like to Dad from, and then your name. So yeah, there are lots of options, and you can just keep decorating. You can draw something in here. You can really there's no limit to what you can do with this. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!